Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to sign out YouTube account from other devices in mobile. If you want to know how it's done, in this video is for you. In order to do that, head over right here to your YouTube app. Then from in here, you should be able to see your YouTube homepage. Now there's 5 buttons right here. Click on the YouTube page, which is actually your profile page. Now you can see in here your profile, so head over and click on this Google account right here in order to see your Google account. Now in here, what you can do is you can scroll in here, click on security, and then from in here, scroll down until you can see in here the option for your devices. Click on this manage all devices, and you can see in here all the devices is actually logged into your Gmail. So just select the device that you don't want to actually associate with this, and you can click on that. Then once you have clicked on them, you can see this. So just click on the sign out button right here. Just click on sign out. Click on sign out in here again. Then once you have done that, this will actually sign out that particular device from your YouTube account. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.